everybody. So we are now taxiing to the runway for takeoff, heading to Berlin. Flight time, I was told earlier, only 45 minutes of flight time. What I spot here, only one Air Boeing 787 here at Munich International Airport. Look at this one here, from Tokyo. Boeing 787 Dreamliner. United with Star Lion livery. Boeing 777. This guy right here. Lufthansa is Airbus 319. And you have Icelander Max 8 over there. Max 8 or Max 9? I think it's Max 8. Icelander Boeing 737 Max 8. It's really cool, right? Look at this airport here. We are actually over the overpass right now. We're on the overpass right now. And the vehicles can pass through this underpass right there. See the trucks and everything over there. Pretty cool airport, right? Okay. Quiet traffic this morning. I think the traffic is gonna start to pick up in the afternoon or late afternoon, because all the inbound flights are still in the air. So see this guy right here. A321. Yeah, they do mow the lawns, the grass in this area, but in the middle they just leave it grown. Look at the things here. Yeah, it's alright. You don't have to do it very often. In the center part of this field right here, but they do mow the lawn, on the upper side of this field right here. You gotta work smart, right? You don't have to work hard. All right, look at this guy. There's a plane taking off right now. Here. See this guy right here. Oh, I think it just landed. Sorry guys, it just landed. I thought it was taken off for a moment because it's speeding up. Alright, so we're getting closer to the end of the runway right now. We're going to wait for the controller clearance, and then we'll be airborne momentarily. You can see the engine of Airbus A321 from here. Pretty cool engine, right? Look at that. I can see the runway. Alright guys, I'm gonna pause here right now, but when we're getting ready to do the roll and taking off, we'll make another video. Alright guys, have a good morning now from Munich International Airport.